everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to sign in GitHub account. So to do that, first thing is you need to open the Google browser in your PC or in your laptop. Then click open new tab. On the search bar, you type in GitHub, github.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of GitHub. GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. GitHub can be used to manage team, share resume, find new projects, track work, and host discussion. GitHub can be used for storing, tracking, and collaborating on software projects. It makes it easy for developers to share code files and collaborate with fellow developers on open source projects. It is also served as a social networking site where developers can openly network, collaborate, and pitch their work. So once you're at the official web page, you will have the sign in and sign up option. You need to click on sign in. This will open the sign in page on your screen. Now to log in, you provide your user ID or the password. I'm going to go type in my user ID and below you type in the password. Once both the detail is done, you need to click on sign in. This will get you logged in into the account right away. You just need to type in a correct account credential, that is correct username or email address, and then type in correct password. Only then you will be able to log in. Just in case if you forgot the account credential, you can click on this link forgot password, which will give you further instruction and procedure for recovering your account details, that is account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.